Feeling good. Alright, let's see. Let's see your roll. No, don't roll it. Either end. Come on, bro. See if that back's the back. See if the back's the back. Alright, 315. I missed it. 275. Race 50? Just logo with chalk. Very nicely. What are you thinking? Music. Oh, 2. 3. Jesus. Oh. All right. Got me beat. God damn. Yeah, I was not expecting that.
Almost had 7.
I was not expecting you to do 7. No excuses.
Another day.
I've been hyping myself up for it all week.
Yeah, buddy. Come on, get it. Pull. Did you get that set up before?
I felt it move, but
I don't think that side was very fucking close to the wall.
oh, it was. All right. His music's so loud I can hear it. He wants it. One more. Come on. All right, 5 more.
Big game. Another day, you won it.
There's all the blood pressure.
Oh, it's so far forward?
The hippo has parked.
Well, we're gonna get it around here. Yes, if you go that far, you go, and make sure to the lower end of the feet.
I see what you're saying. So if I come out like that,
Yeah. Now lean back and do it. Yank.
Oh, I feel it wanting to go.
Yeah, it's like yeah, that form looks so much better.
I felt it ready to come off, but
And you didn't push it out of the box.
Yeah.
Like it was there. Very round. Huh? You should get very
That's what the belt
round.
is.
But like tired.
about halfway down on the cheese. Yeah. We'll try hook with reps.
Lower yourself, back straight, stomach tight. Dogecoin. To the moon. Round less.
That's starting to hurt.
Yeah.
I'm gonna throw straps on there.
Really rounded in the second one.
Yeah.
It's not as bad as the really.
But it looks a lot cleaner because when it's coming up, it's actually sliding on my legs rather than being out here. So,
It looks badass with the whole ass up around the back. Make sure.
Alright, I'm gonna make this real quick after the deadlifts. I know failed 415, but there was a little bit of form breakdown. I noticed that I was pushing the bar away from my shin, so on the third attempt I had perfect, but I was fatigued at that point, started rounding, it's not worth it. So next week we will get 415, knowing that I had the pushing it away from the ankles. And then after that, we did a bunch of stiff-legged deadlifts. So a bunch of stiff-legged deadlifts with 185, which means legs are straight. Bend down all the way to the ground, come back up, train the lower back. We also did the back extension and finished that off with some hamstring curls. So that was basically my night tonight. We will come back next week and get that 415, 100%. There is no reason that I cannot get 415, if not 430. Been eating a lot more. 2 protein shakes a day, so we're doing about 90 grams of protein for the 2 shakes, plus food. So we're trying to get, you know, in between 2,000 and 2,500 calories a day, if possible. Even at 2,000 calories, that's still pretty good, but we're trying to hit that 2,500 mark. So keep that in mind. If you guys are wondering, I get a lot, not a lot, but like I get a couple of comments about the deadlifts. Hey, bend your knees more. And basically a conventional deadlift is mainly a lower back exercise, for the guys wondering. You do not want to squat your deadlift. You need to make sure that the bar is in the middle of your feet and pulled up your shins. If you're coming down any lower than that, you're squatting your deadlift, and that is not correct form. Sorry, you don't want to do that. So just keep that in mind. Also, stiff-leggeds and RDLs, you are bending 99% at the back. That is the whole point of the lower back exercises. My back has never been stronger, and we're gonna keep training it. I have absolutely no lower back pain. I used to have a ton of back pain before I started hitting the gym, so I am feeling so much better now. But we're gonna come back stronger next week, 415. Let's get it. Appreciate you guys for watching. Stick around for the next one and the bike videos.